Hello there. It's time to speak about my new case. This case is a Corsair 1000D. It's a super tower. But the only issue is that it is second hand. I got a good price, don't take me wrong, I got a really good price. The guy I got it from was nice, but boy, it needs work done. So I think this is going to be multiple parts. I have to now dismantle this into its more or less its raw things, and we're going to give it a very good clean, and we're going to say why I particularly wanted this case out of all the market. Hence the reason I got gloves. The door should be open, but it's not. And we're going to dismantle it, take the filters out, give them a good clean. So here goes nothing. We'll do some talking points in the middle. So why did I pick this case? So I've got everything I need. I've got my air filter, my handy screwdriver, and of course my LTT screwdriver and a wee mechanical one. So I'm pretty much sorted, and a wee parts tray because there'll be many parts for this. So why did I pick this case between every other courses? Of course I make some nice cases, but why did I pick this one? Well, I thought, oh, does this flip up? I've never, this first time I got my hand. This case is quite unique. Oh. Wow, can you see? Great, okay. It's going to be a full tear down, I think. I'm glad I'm doing this in my new studio, which is i.e. my garage, so this is quite good for me, honestly. So, I'll just start doing all this shenanigans. All these need to be proper filling. That come out? Give you some history. This case I bought for, how much did I pay for this? Brand new, I think. Time of filming, it'll be on screen now. But I spent, how much? 150 quid on this case. With with 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. With 10 fans. Now these fans are about this much. Times that by how many fans in here. Take away the actual initial price of this case, which is you'll see on screen now, and you can see how much I have saved on buying second hand. Now, I don't mind buying second hand cases because it's just metal, but there is a few caveats to that. So there is. Now I don't know if these fans are working, so that's going to be probably the next part. I'm going to show you how to test your fans. So I would like to make sure all these fans work, because there's no point deploying these fans if they don't work. Okay, so that's all the fans out. Now what I noticed when I was doing this, some of them some residue, some goop on them. So I think the guy who was there raped a lot, so you get a lot of that extra, so they all need to get cleaned up. I won't do that, I'll do that off camera, but yeah, this, I need to make sure they all work first with RGB, which I can do. I'll show you how to do that. This is probably going to be the next part of the video anyway. But that's all going to be sorted. So it is an absolute disaster. There's cables here that I'm not aware of. Yeah, I need that on. I need to see more. It's corsair. I think that's an RGB fan controller. So, sorry. So what I'll do is we'll get the if you want a bit to work in, I think there's a fan filter at the bottom. Oh yes, there is. Yeah. It's a dusty boy. How the earth are you supposed to? Yeah, I'll have to get a manual for this. Because there's things I want to work. Oh no, you take that off. And then you take the power supply off. That makes sense. Oh. Oh dear. Okay. Look what I've just seen. Spot the difference. I hope you know, glad to see what I see. So what I'll do is we're going to test these. So next part will be me testing all these fans that's now on the floor, but that's okay. And then we will talk about the case. No idea. There's some kind of order in this shenanigans. But yes, if you want to put in the work, buy a second-hand case. All the parts won't be there. I got a cracking deal on this one, so Even Mr. says, how the earth are you finding all these good deals on Facebook Market? Yeah, this is from Facebook Market. This is over a £600 case that I got for 150 plus fans. I'm telling you, this is a cracking deal. Now, I say it's a cracking deal. I don't even know if the fans work. I don't know if the controller works. These are all journeys that I would like to explore with you. Oh, I could put that one right down there. So I just found some beautiful runs for my keyboard management. See the big cable. So, in fact, somehow, anyway, so it's going to be a journey and a half. So, if you want to put the work in, buy yourself a second kit. If you want to upgrade something that you see every day, why not the case? I have a beautiful case, but it's not doing what I want. I have visions that I want to do in the future, and it won't allow me to do it. My graphics card's far too big in it, and this will give me the option to do it if I'm going to go that road. So, I'm glad you enjoyed this cleaning of this beautiful 1000D Corsair. Links to the description of all the things I use. No, sort of. Or something similar to that. And there's a bit more dust in here, but that's okay. And I'm glad you enjoyed this teardown, and we'll get on to testing the fans, and then we'll talk about this case, and then we also might talk about why did I pick it, and then we'll start building in it, and then you're going to see how easy to transfer one case to another, and then this build log will be done. So that's some of the future videos that I've got planned for this video, for this wee mini series I'm going to do on this case, because it's going to be long. Oh, we could just transfer it now, but that's not a journey. We have to go through the internal journey before we get to the conclusion. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.